resurgence in many respects in MotoGP. Yamaha, the Catalunya sprint on May the 20th calendar year worthy factory. Ducati on a run of 40 for that particular party and start his own very big party. Remarkable French Grand Prix a couple of weeks ago. Always a pleasure to...
Weeks on now from the French across the line. For you, what are the big standout moments?
The emotion was so deep, especially in the podium. Thousand and thousand. We are now focused on results. People are expecting more and more, you know. As I said to my guys, we have to
move forward is Paolo. And speaking of him, we were just saying in the momentum he's building. Of course, your heart is...
The pandemic play a very bit apart, you know, the two sides. Eventually...
Finally, we've got a lot of fans watching on.
He a little bit swallow. He's right. The brake pressure is the first real indicator that he can handle with the situation. It's an honor for me in terms of lifestyle, and for me to give back something and then to carry on this wonderful sport.
Cecchinello, there was clearly damaged track house, a pretty farm curve that the left-hander that's caught.
Final two to end the line, which we're looking at now, and the first lap, Morbidelli goes into second place. There's an hour through turn two.
Well, that was a bit of a top of the leaderboard, 158.70. Looks like it will be the only 58 we've had. Trick of the trade around due to make his 200th Grand Prix start here this weekend.
In that phase of the race, Frankie Morbidelli was one of those who...
Yamaha still working his way back to full. In general, needed.
It's a pit lane here that, with the nature of the circuit,
second a mark in that.
From Bagnaia, at least for the practice start. He's still got a lot of work to do because he's...
Jelang FP1 dan FP2 MotoGP Jerman 2025 hari ini, rider andalan Ducati, Marc Marquez mengatakan siap ambil resiko dan mode menyerang akan diaktifkan di sirkuit Jerman 2025. Rekan setim Marquez yaitu Pecco Bagnaia, dia masih mencari solusi untuk bisa kembali bersaing meraih kemenangan. Di Assen, kami melakukan langkah lebih maju, baik dalam kualifikasi maupun dalam balapan panjang. Di sprint, saya sedikit kesulitan. Namun juga pada kesempatan ini, seperti di Mugello, saya memulai dengan sangat kuat dan menjalani paruh pertama balapan dengan baik. Kemudian, di tengah pertarungan, saya mulai kehilangan kepercayaan diri pada bagian depan motor dan saya harus meningkatkan kecepatan. Sachsenring adalah trek yang sangat spesifik, kami perlu memahami di mana posisi kami dibandingkan dengan yang tercepat. Tegas Pecco Bagnaia juara bertahan musim lalu 2024.